Hi guys! Join me as I walk around Fort Santiago at Intramuros, Manila. First thing you'll see is the Intramuros Visitor Center. Fort Santiago is the oldest Spanish bastion in the Philippines. It is situated inside the walled city of Intramuros in Manila. There is a minimal entrance fee of 75 pesos for adults. For students, senior citizens, and persons with disabilities, the discounted price is 50 pesos only. Fort Santiago is open from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. This is a man-made canal that joined the Pasig River and Manila Bay. It was restored in the 1980s together with the main gate. At the center of Fort Santiago is the Plaza de Armas. This area was used to stock arms and rifles when not in use. This is Baluarte de Santa Barbara. This was built to protect the entrance from the Pasig River. This is the Falsa Braga, which means false wall. This is an added protective layer of stone wall, and it is lower than the main wall. Fort Santiago is presently a national shrine and national monument since 1951, and a national cultural treasure since 2014. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please check my channel for my other videos.